Genial, se lo merece, se lo merece. Great shot, Vaya, great hunter.
Has been a difficult stalking today.
Yeah, but
difficult.
Difficult, but now everything is okay. So
Everything is okay.
yes.
We think the back is really very nice.
Yeah.
And well, we still around 45 minutes waiting to have a line of shoot.
Yeah.
And it was very interesting.
Yes. Totally different.
Okay.
Than ever.
Here comes Finland.
Well, here I have two friends very happy, and myself I'm very happy also. So good. Very good.
It's okay.
Hunting ibex in Spain, that is fantastic. Yeah. Very nice. Thank you very much, Yuka. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Pepe, congratulations.
Tío, qué bueno.
Very nice.
Qué bueno.
Very good. Fantastic hunting. Fantastic hunting. Have you seen that? All the day under this, the rain and with the fog, and in the last moment.
Now everything gone. It's,
okay. So we are going to wait a few minutes and we go to see the trophy.
¿Has cogido todo?
He cogido todo.
Fantástico. Bueno.
oh my God. Finally.
Yes.
Pregunta, el animal tiene que salir hacia abajo, ¿no?
Fantastic hunting in these mountains. So this is Almijara Mountains. Just in front we have seen a
Hombre, yo creo que si lo bajamos
very
con
nice
cuidado,
summit.
el pecho no tiene problema,
Fantastic day, very exciting to be honest. Very exciting day. Difficult day, a very exciting day. Yeah, nice.
Eso creo,
Acá.
Dale, voz, por favor. Aquí, de abajo.
Sí.
Vale.
So Raul.
Yeah. Picture. Pepe, fantástico, tío. Fantástico.
Maybe this side.
Yeah, sí.
Sun is.
Joder, debajo de un roblequillo. Aquí, que son raros.
Nice.
Now it's
Fantastic. Wow.
Muy bien.
Bueno,
una caza
tío.
preciosa.
Qué espectáculo.
Una caza preciosa. Emoción, incertidumbre, escasez, dudas, dureza. Así
Real
completo.
hunting.
Real hunting.
Pepe, real
Yeah.
hunting.
Real hunting.
Yuka, what do you think?
I think this is now when you get it. It's oh my God. It's real hunting.
Fantastic. This is real
Increíble.
hunting.
Now. Yeah.
Wild animals, very difficult to spot with the rain, with the fog
Yeah.
into the mountains, the trees. Okay.
Almost shooting once they're down, but then fog and
Yeah.
But yeah.
The mist, la niebla,
Yeah.
the difficult
The fog.
of the fog.
Yeah. Very nice. So, well,
Vamos despacito.
let's go slowly.
Slowly.
Yeah, slowly.
We don't need ambos. No,
No.
we don't have.
Okay. Take your.
Déjame algo si quieres.
Si quieres pegar el trípode, voy a ir cogiéndolo. ¿Sabes?
Planos.
Let's go.
No. Vamos por el filo este.
Sí.
Va a ser dificultoso, ¿eh?
Let's go here. Better.
Va a ser dificultoso.
The kingdom of the Almijara ibex.
Mira lo que venía ya por abajo otra vez, ¿eh?
And the fog fighting with us even
Oh my God.
after to shoot the ibex. Careful, Yuka. Yeah. Up. Yeah. Yes. Just in front of us we had our team of guides spotting to see if the bays move so much. It was a real work with a very professional team. Pepe?
It's okay.
Difficult.
Joder,
Ya.
fíjate si nos dormimos, ¿eh?
Joder, ha sido un milagro, macho. Miracle.
Decía Melchor.
Sí, está ahí, ¿no?
Sí, está ahí. Fuimos por ahí, Decía Melchor de que si subía por la piedra. Yo creo que es mejor bajarlo con cuidado.
Sí. Ahora tú cuando lleguemos lo colocas un poco para que continuemos aquí.
¿Tú lo dejas primero que llegue él?
Sí, sí,
Siempre.
por supuesto. Careful here, eh? Oh my God. Está bien. No le veo desde aquí.
Is it there?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yuka, congratulations, my friend.
Your macho.
Yeah.
Your
Your
Alex.
Almijara Sierra Nevada Ibex. Fantastic. Yeah.
Remember always.
Come. Este es el tercero macho que tira en España.
¿Sí?
Sí.
¿Ha matado a los otros?
Ha matado dos
¿Los que van en
vecetes.
LAN?
Dos vecetes. Uno fantástico de 15 años. espectacular. Yes. Oh,
Are you happy?
Yes, I'm happy.
great animal.
Mistä enää enää hevohella.
Great animal.
Yes.
Touch.
Touch it.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
You saved our day.
Good animal. Good animal. Oof. Okay, see you later.